In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the distinction between a story and an epic in Jira. Understanding this difference is crucial for effective project management and agile workflow organization. Let's dive into it. First, let's talk about what a story and an epic are, and why they are essential components in Jira. In the world of agile project management, a story typically represents a single piece of work that delivers value. It describes a feature or function that a user will experience and can be seen as a unit of work that developers, testers, and designers can collaborate on to create a tangible outcome. On the other hand, an epic is essentially a large body of work that can be broken down into smaller tasks or stories. Think of an epic as a broader goal that needs to be divided and conquered over time through individual stories. It's collections of related tasks that work towards a significant milestone or deliverable. Now, let's move on to the practical steps of creating these elements in Jira. To create a story, you'll want to start by navigating to your Jira project. Once there, look toward the top of the page and click on the Create button. This button will be your gateway to inputting new work items into the system. After selecting Create, you'll be prompted to choose the type of work item you want to create. In this context, you'll want to select the work type Story. By selecting Story, you're indicating that this task is a specific feature or piece of functionality to be worked on. Once you've selected the work type, it's time to enter the details of the story. Start by filling in the summary, which will act as the title of your work item. The summary should accurately reflect the work needed, so take a moment to think about a succinct, descriptive title that encompasses the main objective of this story. Beyond the summary, you'll also want to include additional details such as a thorough description, acceptance criteria, and any other relevant information that will guide the team in executing the task effectively. Next, let's walk through the steps of creating an epic. To do this, you'll use a similar process. Again, look for the Create button at the top of your Jira project. Click on it, and this time, select the work type, Epic. With the creation of an epic, you provide an overarching goal that may span several sprints and include multiple stories. As with a story, filling in the summary and other details like an epic name and description is crucial to ensure that everyone on the team understands the high-level objective and its importance. And there you have it. By differentiating between stories and epics and using them correctly, you can leverage Jira's tools to streamline your project management process and make collaboration more effective for your team.